I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He's large, furry and very white, with brown patches on both his sides. He has big eyes, soft and round. His floppy ears are silky and brown. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. Every day he eats egg and rice, but what he loves the most are my blueberry pies. When I hear a happy loud groan, I know he has found a big fat bone. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He loves to sniff, run and bark, chasing wild rabbits in the park. He loves to swim and loves to surf. The beach is one of his favorite turfs. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He shakes his head and wags his tail when he sees a postman drop their mail. He greets me with a kiss and a hug, a jig, a dance, and a roll on the rug. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. I have a dog, his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend. He curls at my feet when we sleep at night. We cuddle and hug each other tight. I love my Ben, there can be no other. Have fun together, best friends forever.
Blow mo siya kuya, blow. Tapos bigibing pagkain. Sige na, blow mo. Oh, bigibing pagkain.
I have a dog and his name is Ben. He's my pet and my best friend.